What's up, TNT gang? It's your boy Taj Michael Burnett and
Tony B.
And we're back with another video. So today we are just gonna clean this car. Clean the car.
All right. Give me this camera. What's up, gang? It's your boy Tony B and
Taj Burnett.
And we are back again with another lit video. And today we are going to finally clean the neglected Suzuki XL7.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I was gonna say truck, but it's an SUV. Today we're gonna go ahead and clean it up, man. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. It's not gonna be like the same cut and chopping up that I usually do. A lot of people, they like to see stuff like this get clean, you know, not too long, but you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna make the video a little bit different. I'm just gonna show you guys as I'm cleaning it, as you know, as we go through it. I don't know how to explain it, but we're gonna do it, y'all. Y'all know on this channel, man, I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but I'm documenting it so you guys can have fun and you guys can watch what we're doing, and at the same time, you know what I'm saying, I don't know what else, but yeah. First off, we're gonna go ahead and knock off all of this debris. I don't know what the heck it is. I know it's from the trees and stuff like that, but we're gonna crank up this power washer and we're gonna go ahead and do our thing. Let's go. Yeah. Get up closer. There you go.
Trust God, man.
All right, guys, it looks 100 times better. That's it for the video. Hey, that's all we got to do for today.
Come on, man.
Oh.
No. Hey, I stopped just to show you guys what just the pre-wash does. I like to pre-rinse my stuff off, not pre-wash. And then next, I like to hit my wheels. I like to use a big a bunch of different brushes. You know, these ain't the correct automotive brushes, but hey, whatever gets the work done, man, that's all you need. You have different buckets for each part of the car, especially the wheels and the bottom part. I usually like to scrape that And this guy right here making all that noise over here. And also I like to have a 2-bucket method, one for the wash and one for the rinse, which, you know, I'm gonna use the foam cannon, which is knocked over here. And if you guys want to check out the review on this one, this is one of the cheapest ones on Amazon, so I'm gonna put that up there in the left hand corner so you guys can check out the review on that. But yeah, now let's go ahead and knock out these rims and tires. I'm not gonna gloss them or anything like that, but I like to go ahead and get my dirtiest part of my vehicle done first. I don't know if that's right, but that's what I yeah, all on the car, everywhere. All right, now let go. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right. All right, pull up front. Look at here. I'm gonna tell you what them automotive Look at here. I'm gonna tell you what them automotive detail YouTubers ain't gonna tell you. Use a blow dryer.
Don't do drugs.
Not a blow dryer. What you call this thing? A leaf blower. A leaf blower, and it'll reduce your drying time significantly. Watch me do my thing. Oh yeah. A dilemma right now. As you guys know, when a car sits this long, this paint or the paint on any car needs to be decontaminated. And like you can see, there's some spots on here that you really, as much as I rubbed on it, I couldn't get it out. What I'm gonna have to do is probably pretty much decontaminate the paint with a clay bar or, you know, something like that. And I don't know if you guys want to watch that. You know, this ain't a detailing channel. The way I'm gonna know if I'm gonna make this video of the decontamination of the paint, I'm gonna do it a different way too. And if you really want to see that, hit that like 2015 button, and then how many likes I get, man, I'll determine if I make that video. But now, what we're going to tackle now is something that I really don't want to do. If y'all seen it at the beginning, there's so much mold inside this truck from sitting. I don't know, from getting hot and cold. I think this car has been sitting about 1.5 years or 2 years, something like that. But I don't know how all that mold got in there. But yeah, what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to pull out all the seats, and we're gonna have to scrub the interior, extract the carpet, extract the seats. Yeah, I really don't want to do this, but I gotta stop talking. We gotta get on into it. Just go ahead and do the interior.
It's an evil world we live in.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool! Psych!
Excuse me, sir, you can't do that.
Dr. Newsom, what's happening, man? Yeah. I'm 30 for a second. Doctor.
How about, would you be willing to resign if it would mean a better deal?
Let me tell you something.
Get